Isabel Gabriel Sophia Aragon, Sophia Aragon for short. And this is my partner, Chezka Bernadette. And our IP is entitled Incredible Rolling Gummy Bears, or
Osmosis through the use of gummy bears.
before we start, I would like to apologize for my voice. So, if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, feel free to ask me to repeat the things I said. Alright? Okay, thank you. Let's start.
Abstract. The researchers chose this kind of investigatory project because the experiment deals with gummy bears, which the researchers have an interest in. The researchers wanted to find out if it was possible to manipulate or multiply little pieces of single package candy. The researchers also wanted to determine what the chemical reaction of gummy bear candy would be different to pictures of water.
Objectives. The study focuses on the experimentation of gummy bears to look for solutions to osmosis. It seeks to execute the following goals. So in this part of our PowerPoint presentation, it tells our main objectives or what our goal is while doing this experiment. So number one, to find out that little pieces of gummy candy can multiply and or yet enlarge. To find out if gummy bears that were sat in water are still edible after being experimented on. And third, to find out why gummy bears can grow in water.
Statement of the problem. This study focuses on the experimentation of gummy candy such as gummy bears and its chemical reaction to water. It seeks to answer the following question. Is it possible for gummy candy to grow in water? How can gummy candy absorb water? Does sugar make gummy candy dissolve in water? Or these are the questions that we would like to find out after the experimentation.
Okay, this is the hypothesis part of our experimentation. These are the answers to the questions we asked in the last slide. Okay, hypothesis. The researchers considered the following hypothesis in the study. It is possible for gummy candy to grow in water. Gummy candy can absorb or suck in water through water osmosis. Most gummy-based candy dissolve in water slower than starch-based candy.
Scope and delimitation. This study focuses only on the researcher's solute of choice, which is the gummy bear candy, that reacts to water mixture, which is the solvent. The researcher's main goal for this certain experiment only deals on how and why gummy-based candy can grow or get enlarged in water after several hours or days. Note the researchers use water. Since there are 3 glasses of water, each one with a gummy bear, one mixture of the water has a tablespoon of salt, the other has a tablespoon of sugar, and the last food glass is just water alone. Water, salt, sugar, and gummy bears are all that is needed to achieve this experiment.
Okay, can we proceed now to the main experiment and the procedure? How do you do the experiment?
Okay, wait up. Okay, now let's proceed to methodology. Methodology, I'm sorry. Okay, things needed for this experiment are yes. Some chart. I'm thinking of okay, things needed for this experiment. Okay, we need 3 glasses. As you can see, we have labeled them as glass A, glass B, and glass C. We only need to fill it with 1/4 of water.
No specific amount of water.
1/4 of the glass. And then
Based on eligibility.
alright, so class A will have salt and class B will have sugar mixture. So A will be salt water, B will be sugar water, and then the last glass will just have water alone. So, excuse me. By the way, we only use a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. after we put the salt and sugar, we put a gummy bear each in each glass. Down. And then we just leave it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, it will look like this. As you can see, if you can see. Wait.
Alright.
Alright, so here, this is a gummy bear after 12 hours. It has developed bubbles around it. Wait. And it's very sticky. See? And it's soft, it's not the gummy thing like that anymore. And it's lost its gummy scent. And then
That
after
is one soap with what?
this is soaked with salt. This is the salt water one. Actually, we didn't prepare the 12-hour gummy bear in sugar and in ordinary water because the results are the same. So this is also what it looks like with sugar and ordinary water. Okay, let's proceed. Results and discussion.
Investigatory projects are projects intended to know with discoveries in biology. The researchers experimented and studied gummy bear theory. After several attempts and activities, effects have been finally seen by the researcher. This chapter presents all of the results of the researcher's experiment, the further effects seen and even the flaws that sprouted while the study was going on.
Okay, can you discuss it to us without reading your output? What really happened then? What were you discovering? What did you discover? I mean,
Well, while we were doing the experiment, we discovered that it is possible for gummy bears to grow in water, but it takes time and it takes careful measurements. Because the first time we did the experiment, we put too much sugar or too much salt. So the process of the gummy bears growing was very slow and it didn't show results immediately. After 12 hours, it's still small like that.
Yung kanina sabi mo na yung salt sa glass, di sa glass, yung nakaparehas. Bakit naging nakaparehas yung salt? Gusto kayo lang salt sa hata sugar.
Can you please repeat the question?
Yung sanabay na po that the glass B and the glass C, glass A and B are the same result. Yes.
why the same? Considering the fact that both of them are, each glass has a different mixture. Should I?
Yes.
Am I correct? Mixture?
Yes, different mixtures.
Solution is different.
Salt and solution
And then
and
sugar
sugar
solution. Why did they have the same result? Why can you find it in discrepancy or different? The mere fact that their substances are actually different. Why the same output?
Actually, we don't know because we were just focusing on if they could grow. But I think because
Even though they have different texture, they undergo the process of osmosis.
What is osmosis?
It occurs when liquids are included in the permeable membrane.
from higher
Lower concentration.
Okay. I think
So the
that's
more
because-
concentrated, the more it will affect
Like the gummy bears.
the growth of the particular gummy bears. What was the result in the glass?
it's
Not the same.
still the same. It still grew.
Which one is the best solution for you to observe faster growth of gummy bears?
A, B, or C.
Is it salt solution in your A, glass A, sugar solution in your glass B, or is it normal water only without any other factors?
Actually, all the gummy bears grew at the same time, so we can't tell. But I think it's glass A, the one with salt.
Why? What is the component of salt that can increase the growth of gummy bears?
Do you think it has something to do with the absorption process? Does it have something to do with the absorption process? Yes or
Which
no?
one absorbs faster? Salt solution?
I think they're all the same.
Or the water?
They're all the same
So meaning to
sizes.
say, what you have shown to us is it doesn't affect the osmosis process, right? Even if you're going to put salt, sugar, or
Yes.
water alone.
Because they use the water.
So what are you trying to prove then?
We're trying to prove that gummy bears can grow in water.
So whatever the factors are.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
That's the point. So I was thinking that you're trying to prove which one would grow faster. A, class B, and class C. And then since the result is
The same.
almost the same, then you have to try to prove it to us that gummy bear can really grow into water regardless of any mixture that you have there.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. What could be what's the reference of